What's up, everyone? My name is Cadence, and today I'll be sharing with you one of the greatest crypto projects in the world, and that is aelfunion. What makes aelfunion special is we are not a project that is starting from scratch. It is because we are partnering with aelf, one of the most reputable crypto projects in the world, and together we are going to focus on expanding the aelf community as well as the ecosystem. Let's start by talking about the aelf background. aelf started since the year 2017, and within this 6 years to the year 2023, it has accomplished many things. The aelf token, it is listed on great exchanges such as Binance, quby, Unis Swap, and every day it is transacting around $4 to $5 million of volume, and the market cap, if you were to check in coin market cap, is around 100. The aelf token has more than 50 trading pairs. During the initial phase, the aelf blockchain has received the acknowledgement of investors such as venture caps from quby, Binance, and DHVC. Together, they have pooled their investments into the funding for the aelf blockchain. Since aelf focuses on building the blockchain technology, aelf is working with Huawei, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, as well as Amazon Web Services to further enhance their technology. Now, essentially, what aelf aims to do is to provide an open source blockchain network, allowing developers of different backgrounds to come and develop their ideas within the chain. Now, what makes aelf special is here are the technical advantages. Besides having a mainnet, it has a sidechain as well. Conquering the layer 1 and layer 2 technology, together they are able to provide developers the option to choose where they wish to develop, to maximize the performance as well as the scalability. Now, for Web 2 players who want to make the transition into the Web 3 space, we have a smart contract system for them to make the adoption of blockchain technology. Last but not least, we have easy to use SDKs, and these SDKs shorten the times of development for developers. Now, one of the most successful ecosystem within the aelf blockchain is the portkey. Portkey is a Web3 wallet. The features are it has multi-chain support, fully decentralized, as well as familiar Web2 login methods. In specific, for new users who are new towards the blockchain technology, they are able to use portkey because it has familiar experience, such as email registration, mobile number, Google account, Apple ID, or even a QR code to allow them to own a wallet within the Web3. Essentially, aelf has very good expert in terms of its technology, and what they are focusing right now is on its community, because they understand the importance of building a community, especially when you are a crypto project. The aelfunion is going to help aelf to fulfill their mission. Now, if you were to go to the Twitter profile of aelf, you will notice that aelf recently has been very active in engaging their community. One of their HQ office has opened in Singapore, and they have launched a lot of social networking events to create some noise within the space. Here, we are working with social influencers as well within the crypto industry, working with Ricardo Bossio, Taylor Musk, Karina Jelinek, and one of the similarity of the three of them is they have millions of followers, a huge user base to further expand the reach of the aelf community. So let's talk a little bit about aelfunion. Our goal is very simple. Our vision is to grow with aelf by expanding their ecosystem, and the mission is to empower the users within the community, the users, the leaders, the enterprises to reach this goal. Now, if you were to go to this link, you are able to see the partnership. aelf acknowledging us, which is aelfunion, as one of the BP node holder specifically to build their ecosystem. Now, here is the blueprint on building the community. We are going to provide decentralized community initiatives for our users. They are able to participate in our governance of community, and together we will expand the ecosystem. For enterprises who wish to adopt the blockchain technology, they are able to use the aelf chain, in specific the main, the side chain, and the SDKs to make the onboarding experience much easier. Here are our 4 directives, starting with understanding the needs of businesses, because every business, they are different. To understand them, we are able to provide the best solution for them to cater their requirements. Next is, we are going to grow with aelf. We're going to establish the industry standards on how we're able to achieve it, and ultimately we're going to enable the global support for aelf. Now, here is a more detailed information when you click on this link regarding the aelf token. You're able to view their volume, their market cap, their trading pairs when you visit the coin market cap, and the token is listed on great exchanges such as Binance, crypto.com, quby, as well as KuCoin. For the aelfunion, we are also going to release our own token, which is the aelfu, and in comparison, the aelf and the aelfu, here's the maximum supply. aelf will have 1 billion tokens, aelfu is 10 billion, and the initial price for aelf is 0.01, aelfu is 0.001, and the market cap for aelf is 10 million, aelfu is 10 million as well. Before the next bull market will arrive, our goal is very simple. It is to focus on the expansion of our community, the ecosystem. Everyone will then hold a piece of the aelfu token, and when that opportunity arrives, the value of the aelf token will then increase. Okay, now holders of the aelfu token, here are the benefits. You are able to participate in our community governance. We are able to share our revenue within the ecosystem, and they are member-only perks. Holding the aelfu token, we're going to release privileges for early users, especially invitations to exclusive events. The aelfu, here is our token distribution. 52.5% will go to the staking reward, 3% will go for private sale, 8% will be used to developing the ecosystem, 5% will be reserved to the foundation, 5% will go to the team, 11% will be used to develop the community, and 50.5% will be for enterprise development. Now, for the aelfunion, we are an ambitious company. We have a lot of things in mind, and to make that happen, we need to break it step by step. Like building a house, we start from the foundation. From there onwards, we work on the windows, the tiles, the roofs. Starting with the 4th quarter of 2023, we'll have a global recruitment drive focusing on expanding the user base with a goal of 100,000 members across 20 countries. On the 1st quarter of 2024, we'll have events and activities, okay, as well as elevate funding gaming promotion to provide financial backing for gaming companies to fulfill their mission. 2nd quarter of 2024, we're going to expand our partnerships for the aelf ecosystem, because one person's ability is limited. If we were to venture out, partner with different strong companies, we're able to create an alliance. Third quarter of 2024, our goal is to have at least 30 diverse projects expanding the ecosystem. Fourth quarter of 2024, our focus will be specifically on integrating the SocialFi dApps into the aelf ecosystem because we see the potential of social media plus decentralized services within a platform. Second quarter of 2025, we'll launch a blockchain academy, and within this academy, we'll be educating users on the knowledge of blockchain as well as the future trends. For the third and the fourth quarter of 2025, our goal is to recruit at least 1 million users across 100 countries. Now you might be thinking, where has aelfunion progressed so far? Currently, we have expanded to more than 10 countries worldwide, starting with the UK, Germany, Italy, South Africa, India, Thailand, China, Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Australia, and this is only the tip of the iceberg because in the future, we will be constantly expanding to help aelf on building its community as well as its ecosystem, and you can be a part of this. My name is Cadence. Thank you so much for joining us within this video presentation. Thank you.